Hello, and welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to install Realtek HD audio driver and troubleshoot error code 0001. Next, you need to uninstall any previously installed Realtek drivers to avoid conflicts. Go to Device Manager by right-clicking on the Start menu and selecting the option. Expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers section and right-click on Realtek High Definition Audio. Select Uninstall Device and ensure that the Delete the Driver software for this device checkbox is selected. After the driver is uninstalled, restart your computer and proceed with the following steps. Step 1. Run the Realtek setup file. After downloading the Realtek HD audio driver, run the setup file. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Step 2. Update the driver. After the installation is complete, open Device Manager again and select Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Look for Realtek High Definition Audio and right-click on it. Select Update Driver and choose the option to search automatically for updated driver software. Step 3. Troubleshoot error code 0001. If you encounter error code 0001 during the installation process or while updating the driver, don't panic. This error code usually indicates that the driver is not compatible with your system configuration. Follow these steps to resolve the error. Check if you have downloaded the correct driver for your system architecture, 32-bit or 64-bit. Make sure your system meets the minimum hardware requirements for the driver. Disable your antivirus software temporarily during the installation process. Try installing the driver in safe mode. If none of the above steps work, contact Realtek support for further assistance. That's it. You have now successfully installed Realtek HD audio driver and troubleshooted error code 0001. Enjoy improved sound quality on your system. Thanks for watching.